Was it? I didn't see it. Yeah. Maybe I got it on the camera.
I hope so. Gosh, I hope I wasn't in the way. That would suck.
We'll see it. We'll see.
We'll see.
We will see. That's funny.
Watch out for rattlesnakes too. Cole was saying they're really big.
Oh, they're over here big, huh?
Yeah.
Rattlers.
And they won't always rattle that. Call 911.
That's funny.
Maybe they call hospitals what it is, so they know what anti-venom to use, but I don't know, something. Okay. But yeah. You hear all the lizards scattering in the bushes.
Yeah, that's what that noise is, right?
Yeah.
I guess there are a lot of neat noises going on right now.
Huh?
There's a lot of neat sounds going on right now.
Mm-hmm. I don't think I could ever be an actress. That's what they do. They're like, okay, come back and do it again, right?
Yeah.
I think what being an actress is.
It's not that difficult, actually.
What?
Yeah, it's not that difficult, actually.
No, it's not. It just pissed me off. Like, dude, I freaking did it.
What layers are you talking about? Yeah. Pretty. What's that? On the left? Yeah, I think so. I'd climb that. I got to experience that yesterday on that one route. That's the all-around view. That's what's behind us right now. You see that red rock up there on the left? That different type of rock? There's two different types of rock there. So pretty out here. The dead grass is it's eerie and exotic. What?
It's the same way like sandstone. Sandstone feel like you're on
That's awesome.
Little nipple.
What?
The nipple on the mountain.
Oh, I see it. It's up there on the left. Yeah, it's really good to drink. Oh, it is so dry and hot out here. What did we bring? About 2 gallons?
Maybe just over.
Just over 2 gallons. That's a ridiculous amount of water.
So I want to soak our shirts.
It takes 2 gallons of water to go 2 hours
Nah.
in the Santa Monica Mountains.
We could do more. Okay, you gotta add an addendum of is it September?
It's just the start? Yeah, start in
That's
September.
not okay.
That's not okay.
Oh, Jesus.
It's good water, huh?
No. Super lemon limey.
Oh, you loaded it up with that liquid IV?
Yeah.
That stuff's amazing, I'll tell you what.
I
I tell you what. This trail is so pretty. Whoa. Kind of narrow.
Don't fall.
It's a game of don't fall.
My dad was freaked out. Never show him this video, okay? Careful here too. Look at the eroding. I only say that because it's been a mile of downhill.
So that means we got a mile uphill is what you're saying?
Yeah.
That's fair. Yeah. That's gonna be brutal. Now I see why you've been saying that. These plants are really pretty. They're white. It's neat how they're white. Oh,
Yeah.
what is that?
Need no trick. Jesus, how hard is it? Not very hard.
Yeah. It's pretty sad to see that out here.
People think it's like, oh, it's just me though. It's one time. It's just how many people are doing that. It's not.
That's the
Not
thing.
good.
There's millions of them.
Yeah. I feel like we're approaching a crag there, and I'm kind of sad.
You what?
I feel like we're approaching a crag. Your water?
Possibly. It's a dried up riverbed. Sounds good.
Yeah, on trail for snakes or
What?
all the poles on trail for snakes. I feel like I should know more about rattlesnakes than I do. You know?
Yeah.
I haven't checked
I do feel a little underprepared in my rattlesnake awareness.
I feel like I am too. Oh, don't worry, you hit the trailhead.
You see the birds?
Yeah, I did. Super blue.
Yep.
I will never understand those people who put lockers on their trousers.
Like, so no one can get into it, I guess?
No, it doesn't make sense. Like, it's just harder for you to unzip.
Yeah. Well, if you had like a combination lock on there.
Yeah, that would be ridiculous. Even better, you have like a key on with it.
Yeah.
That would be funny.
Yeah, it would.
Water crossing card crew.
Oh, this is neat.
This one we'd have to swim for, babe. Get ready.
Yeah, get ready. Ah, you didn't even take your shoes off.
My feet are soaked, babe. We gotta go back. I'm gonna freeze to death. I'm soaked. Remember when? Oh, hey, water's over here now. It's so pretty. Yeah. This feels like somewhere like where Carrie's is.
I could see that. Lots of little bees.
Yeah.
Those are bees, right?
Oh, you just flies. I don't know.
I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of bumblebees down there.
Yeah.
Which is disturbing.
Oh yeah, no, they're right. I looked at a different place, I think, than you. There's a lot of bees.
Maybe I should get out of here.
Nah. They're busy looking for food. They're kind of zooming.
Yeah.
Well, that's their trail then. Not kidding.
Well, that's the movie, guys. No.
Right?
I could
When
see
you're
that.
down here in the valley like this?
I could see this being, yeah, the grotto.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's a lot of, like, coves of, like...
I mean, we'll hit the actual grotto, I'm sure, like, at the end.
Oh, yeah. It's going to be amazing.
I hope so.
Oh, I'm looking forward to it.